Hey, what's up, my spicy food loving friends? I know you love hot sauces as much as I do, and one you're gonna absolutely love is called Peri Peri sauce, or also called Peri Peri. Peri Peri is an African sauce with Portuguese roots that is made with fiery chili peppers, and it's super versatile. It's really a sauce that was made famous by a brand called Nando's, and Nando's Peri Peri is delicious. There's also a number of other brands that are out there, but I like to make a homemade version that I think you're gonna love. It really lets you customize the sauce to pretty much however you want it to be. You can make it milder or you can make it spicy. And when you make it homemade, I think this is pretty much the best Peri Peri sauce around. So, all right, let me show you how to make it. All right, homemade Peri Peri sauce, my friends. I swear you guys are gonna be making this over and over again. It's delicious, nice and hot. So the recipe focuses on chili peppers, obviously, and really you can use any type of chili pepper that you want for this recipe. It's actually perfect for chili gardeners because you can mix and match your chilies, any of your red peppers from the garden. I like to mix and match just depending on whatever I've got on hand that year, whatever my harvest brings me. But typically this recipe focuses on African bird's eye chilies. And African bird's eye chilies are nice and spicy, good and hot. And the recipe calls for 1 pound of chilies. And if you used an entire pound of African bird's eyes, you'd have a deliciously spicy hot sauce right here. But today I'm gonna tone it down, mostly for Patty, but you know, we don't wanna make everything super crazy, right? So I'm using 2 ounces of bird's eye, and the rest I'm doing 14 ounces of red bell pepper. So it's gonna have a nice, delicious, lower heat flavor, still be nice and spicy. But the recipe calls for 1 pound, and you can use any chilies you want for this. So get your food processor ready, and I got a rough chop on my bird's eyes here. And the rest, red bell peppers, into the processor. And I have 4+ cloves of garlic, and you can rough chop if you need, but it's going in the processor. Or extra garlic, you know, gorgeous garlic. And a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And a half a cup of chopped cilantro. And you can add more or less if you want. Very adjustable. And a 1/4 cup of chopped basil. And Nando's actually uses a rosemary extract in theirs, according to the ingredients that I see. But you can use rosemary in here if you'd like. I just really like it with basil. And I have a salt to taste. And lemon. So we're gonna add a juice from a whole lemon. And it's another, you can add more if you'd like. And you can also add vinegar if you prefer. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and process this, like so. Okay, scrape down the sides a little bit if you need to. And you can process this as coarse or as thin as you'd like. Usually when you buy Peri Peri products that are made by artisan brands like Nando's and there's a number of other ones, it's very smooth. But you can make it coarse if you'd like to. All right, let's check it out, my friends. Yep, you can see it's nice and smoothing out a bit here. Still slightly chunky, but smells amazing. So at this point, you could cook this down, simmer it in a pan, and meld all those flavors. But you don't have to cook it. You can use it as more of a raw sauce. And we're gonna add olive oil or vegetable oil to emulsify it. So let me get this back on here. Let me get this running. And we'll slowly drizzle in olive oil, and you'll watch it thicken up. Do a little bit slowly. It's a half a cup. Yes. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, it brightens up the sauce. It lightens it up a bit. You can see right here how oh yeah, it's thickened up, and oh, look at that, Peri Peri sauce. Peri Peri sauce, my friends. Let's talk about uses. Again, this is a very, very versatile sauce that you can use in so many different ways. And you can also adjust it to the heat level that you really prefer, as I did mention. Make it real spicy, or even make it mild if you want to. It's outstanding as a dip, just kind of served as it is. I love it as a salsa sometimes. You serve it with some chips, tortilla chips. People love that. Serve it with a veggie tray as the dip for your vegetables. You can even swirl in a little bit of like Mexican crema or sour cream to cream it up a little bit if you wanted to for that. Even something like a cocktail shrimp is great. It's great for any type of seafood. You can use it as a marinade and also a sauce. So anything off the grill or any kind of seafood like whitefish is great, shrimp. Where it really shines though, and where it's most famous is Peri Peri chicken. And I have a recipe for that on the website, and I can leave a link, but I'm doing a video for that very soon because I love it and I miss it. Haven't made it in a while. It's yum, man. But it's really just, you can marinate some delicious bone-in chicken, toss it on the grill, you know, and then use it as your finishing sauce. It is so good. It's great for chicken wings too. Peri Peri chicken wings. You will love this stuff. Is Peri Peri a hot sauce? Well, sure it is. I mean, it's absolutely nice and spicy, but if you want to treat it more like a finishing kind of a hot sauce that you drizzle onto all of your other foods, you can actually add more acidity to this. You can add some extra lemon juice and or also some vinegar to bring the more acidity to it. I like to shoot for pH of 3.5 or lower, really, for more home keeping, and it'll keep much longer for you that way. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh yes, delicious. Lemony, really, the lemon really shines through. Nice spice level, even with the bell pepper in there. Very, very tasty. I love the herbaceousness too with the basil and the cilantro. Yum, yum. I think you're gonna love this one. Peri Peri sauce, my friends. I think you're gonna love this one. I love it so much. So, hey, if you're looking for more delicious, spicy recipes, boom, boom, got some popping up right here. So, hey, thanks for hanging out in my kitchen with me today. I love it. I'd love to hear what you think of the recipe below, in the comments below, and I'd love to hear how you're gonna change it up to make it your own. So, all right, can't wait to see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.